Hi, I'm Payal, Senior Designer from Foresight Creators, Pune. So we are in Rajat Park, located in Salisbury Park, Pune, for a 3 BHK home interiors. So the main concept of the home is contemporary, and we've added a little bit of eclectic elements to the house. Shilpa ma'am and a family, they are every designer's dream to work with. The requirements were pretty much clear from day one. They wanted a contemporary modern look for the house, and at the same time they wanted more storage. So we have tried our best to make them comfortable. Let's now go on to the details of the house. Starting with the entrance foyer, the planters and the vertical garden are designed to give a fresh and a natural look to the foyer. The need of the family was not to give an enclosed view to the foyer, so the planters are designed in a way so that the corridor is seen partially and even the natural light is allowed. Moving on to the living room, the Irish cream shade used on the walls of the entire space gives an exotic ambience, and this is something which is continued throughout the house. Keeping in mind to create modern contemporary decor, for which we suggested white laminate to the client, contrasting to the Irish cream shade. And this is something which the client was open to trying out, giving us the confidence that being it a residential space, maintaining white surfaces would be possible for them. And from the color code to the ceiling pattern, everything is kept alike. The central dining table with marble top brings a sense of grandeur. The gorgeous spiral lights above the dining is a design element which visually divides the space and enhances the beauty of the living room. The main character of the space is the peacock blue lounge, which is in contrast with the color scheme. Adding to the beauty, we designed a library cum display unit near the bay window, which too is fully white in color with concealed lighting. We have tried giving the client a fully automated space which includes motorized curtains and home automation. Going further to the master bedroom, storage being the main requirement of the family, we tried creating invisible and hidden storage spaces in the room. There is an end-to-end laminate finish wardrobe which adds to the beauty of the room. In addition to this, there is a study cum TV and dressing unit, which is a great place to work on a laptop. Let's move on to the daughter's bedroom. Being a small space, we have designed a low-height bed for the daughters, which gives the room a long and elongated feel. The use of the low-height bed and wardrobe shutter with a full-length mirror is a desperate attempt for the room to look bigger. So basically the entire house is designed in such a way that it looks simple yet classic.